Your software has a lot of data, and when you need to put that data onto labels, that's where it gets messy. You have to download your data, then upload it, format a label, now you can print. That's where the Brady Software Development Kit comes in. Brady SDK lets your system talk to Brady printers, so you can print labels directly from your own software. No data transfer dance. With just a tap or click, print the labels you need. From the warehouse to out on the ocean. Use a phone, computer, or any Bluetooth-enabled device to print labels wherever you need them. Brady SDK is free to download, and our experts are here to help guide you through the seamless integration. Your data, your software, Brady printers. Go to our website to learn more.